Hey guys, welcome back to the channel on Scott Tyler. Not sure if people know this. Hopefully they do, but there's actually a way to clean up your overall home screen on your phone, and I've done this. I mean, I have a black and white background, which is cool, but I tweaked that in the lock screen settings. But like, if you actually want to get rid of all the apps on your phone, not completely, don't delete them, but you don't want them like on your home screen. Basically, like Android, if you want to shove them in the app drawer and you don't want to have to look at them on your home screen, you don't want like pages of apps, which is understandable, right? People want an overall clean look. They want to access their most important apps right on the front page and not have like just be scrolling through like this. The easiest thing you can do, ladies and gentlemen, is just by hiding an app. So if I go to, I don't know, like Amazon, not Amazon. If I do this Easy Receipts app, which is like a app to get reimbursed and for your old receipts, you can literally just hold it down like this. It's going to bring up some options right here. Let me just refocus my camera on that. It's going to bring up some options. Share the app, remove app, or edit home screen. We want to remove the app. This is not going to delete it off your phone. It's going to give you some options. So it's going to say remove Easy Receipts. Removing from home screen will keep the app in your app library. So you can delete the app. That'll completely delete it off your phone. You can remove from the home screen, which is what we're going to be doing here. Basically just keep in your app drawer or app library, as Apple clearly copied Android, or cancel out of it. So we're going to remove this from the home screen. And as you can see, the app is gone. So I can no longer access it here. But if I just scroll over to my app library, it's going to be right here under productivity. Apple's going to sort it in some strange way. It does an okay job at sorting your apps, but if you also want to access it, you can swipe down from here, bring up the search, and do like easy, and your app's going to pop up right there. So it's personal preference. I'm going to actually undo that. I'm going to add that back to the home screen. That's how you add it back. But that's just a quick and easy tutorial on how to like organize your overall home screen, make it look cleaner. Personally, I like having less apps on my home screen. It just makes, I only want 2 pages maximum, and I also keep stuff in folders just because I don't want clutter on my phone. When I pick up my phone, I don't want to be seeing like tons of apps. I want to like get into the stuff I actually use the most. So guys, that's gonna be for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video by Scott Tyler. Peace out, everyone.